guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this cell phone or smartphone, which is a fairly cheap model. We bought this for like 60 bucks, I think. Or was it 70? I don't know. Like at least way under 100. And yeah, it's kind of interesting to see what's going to be happening inside here. So as you can see, it kind of reminds myself of the old phones we had back in the days when I was fairly young. We got the back piece that we're gonna be snapping on. We got a battery pack which goes in the back. We also got some chargers and headphones and a case here, which with a screen protector, which we don't care right now for. So we're gonna throw all that back in here, put that to the side, and actually have a look at the phone. And as I said, keep in mind it is fairly cheap, so don't expect too much out of it. Still want to see what's been happening here, so let's see. First off, yeah, as I mentioned, it looks like the phones we had back in the days. We have like room for the battery pack, source for the SIM cards and SD cards. Just gonna slap that in here, then you're just gonna put it on the back piece. The newer phones these days never are open, they're always secured, sealed and stuff. But whatever. It snaps right in there. It feels pretty good. It's pretty light, to be honest. It's actually free charge. That's good as well. So we can actually have a look at what's happening on the inside or in the overlay on the screen for the analog. So as far as you can tell, though, it has decent coloration. Could be a little better, obviously, but it's not too bad. So surprised by the weight, it's like super light. But yeah, I think for starters, as you can see, we got Android on here. We got like a bunch of preset apps. We also got the, oh wow, Face ID and the fingerprint. That's interesting to see by such a cheap model. But yeah, and if you are looking for a cheap version, let's actually check while I'm talking. So we got all the shortcuts and stuff. So yeah, if you're looking for a cheap phone for whatever reason, maybe for the first phone for your kid or something, this might be it. You can get used to using it. If something happens, it's not that big of a deal because it's pretty cheap. But yeah, it looks cool, I guess. Everything looks neat. I mean, obviously it is mostly plastic, so keep that in mind. We got some decent cameras, we got all the buttons. We also got a headphone jack. We don't see these days anymore. And an old USB charger, which is unfortunate. I mean, at least there's one in the package. But yeah, interesting to see that as well. So let's actually hop into the settings and check what kind of Android we have and some data as well. So storage wise, we got a total of 16 gig. 7 are already taken by per default. That's kind of unfortunate. So where can we actually see which Android we have? Maybe here, languages, stuff. Nope, that's not it. Security, sound networks. Google might not be it. Oh, what about the phone? Obviously, I'm just confused here. So we got 1 gig RAM. CPU core is 4. We got Android 10, which is interesting. I mean, that's kind of outdated. But besides that, I mean, it feels fine. I mean, if you're, like I said, looking for a cheap alternative to the big brands out there, this is your go-to, I would say. It looks good, feels good, it's light, especially if it's for younger people. And yeah, it's not going to be a big deal if something happens. Got a little glitter effect on here as well, as you can see maybe. And yeah, so my name is Badger. Take care, you guys. Bye.